Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into day one, the absolute foundations of operating systems. So, how do computers actually understand us? There's a huge gap between our ideas and hardware.
Enter the operating system. It's that essential software playing two massive roles, a central controller and a translator.
Right, let's hit role number one first. Just think of the OS as the ultimate bilingual interpreter.
It literally bridges that massive gap, instantly turning your simple mouse clicks into crazy complex hardware actions. Basically, it's the indispensable translator standing right between your everyday user commands and the machine's raw hardware.
But hey, translation is only half the battle. The OS is also a very strict central controller.
This controller tackles two totally critical jobs, running your favorite apps and managing the physical hardware safely.
Now, you might be wondering, why does hardware actually need this strict control system in the first place? Well, without the OS stepping in, your apps absolutely cannot and definitely shouldn't touch the physical hardware directly. This barrier is absolutely necessary. It safely manages all resources and keeps your computer from spiraling into chaos.
So, your biggest day one takeaway? The OS is basically the invisible conductor keeping your device running smoothly.
But what's actually inside this controller? Well, we're going to unpack that exact architecture in day two. See ya!